Hello, welcome to On the Move, a new TV and web series about what your Public Works Division at Travis County does for you to keep you moving. This first episode is a general overview describing who we are, what we do, and how we do it. So put your seatbelts on and let's go. Public Works is a division of Travis County's Transportation and Natural Resources Department. Natural Resources manages things like environmental quality. We focus on transportation. Public Works is made up of 3 sections. The first is Capital Improvements Projects, or CIP, which manage the design and construction of new roads, bridges, and parks, as well as making improvements to existing ones. Road and Bridge handles the regular maintenance of existing infrastructure, and Fleet Services maintains the heavy equipment used in road construction, as well as all other vehicles used in Travis County operations. Capital Improvements Projects, or CIP, begins the selection of various roadways and other projects through planning organizations such as CAMPO and through bond elections. They work to acquire funding from federal, state, and local tax dollars, as well as other possible revenue sources. They work with other government officials and private landowners to acquire right-of-way. They manage contracts with private sector contractors to design and build the roads. Once a project is completed, they hand it off to Road and Bridge for ongoing maintenance. Road and Bridge is responsible for maintaining over 1,200 miles of Travis County roadways. They receive requests through the dispatch office to inspect and plan for what needs to be done on each section of each roadway in the county. This can include everything from pothole patching, crack sealing, and repairing shoulder edges to fully repaving and reconstructing the roadways. Road and Bridge also maintains road drainage to improve stormwater flow by removing ponding, cleaning silt and debris from ditches and under roadways, and maintaining or replacing drainage structures, including pipes. Other maintenance done by Road and Bridge includes sidewalk repairs, safety improvements, and ramp and sidewalk construction for ADA compliance. They also maintain right-of-way areas by mowing, brush trimming, and picking up debris and dead animals in the right-of-way. Road and Bridge also makes and maintains all traffic signage on county roadways and even makes signage for all county departments. They also perform all striping of roadways throughout Travis County. And most people are not aware that Road and Bridge also maintains 2 cemeteries for indigent burials as mandated by the Texas State Constitution. Fleet Services operates 2 vehicle maintenance shops, one on the east side of the county and one on the west. They work closely with all county departments, including the Sheriff's Office and Road and Bridge, to maintain all vehicles, heavy construction equipment, motorized tools, and other related equipment. Fleet is also responsible for purchasing all of the county's vehicles and equipment, as well as managing the purchase of fuel for these county assets. They also handle any and all legal requirements for the vehicles, such as state inspection and registration. So in this first episode, we've just learned a general overview of what Travis County's Public Works Division does to keep you moving. Stay tuned for future episodes where we'll dive deeper into each of those areas. Sound exciting? Join me next time as we go On the Move.